Understanding roasting rack, an essential kitchen tool. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the culinary world, roasting rack. This term is often heard in cooking shows and read in recipe books, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together. A roasting rack is a kitchen utensil used primarily for cooking meats. It's a framework, usually made of metal, that holds food above a pan or sheet. The key purpose of a roasting rack is to promote even cooking and enhance browning and crisping by allowing heat to circulate around the meat. It also helps in collecting the drippings from the meat, which can be used to make gravies and sauces. Using a roasting rack offers several advantages. 1. Even cooking. Elevating the meat ensures it cooks evenly on all sides. 2. Enhanced flavor and texture. The rack allows for better heat distribution, leading to a crispier exterior. 3. Healthier cooking. Fat drips away from the meat, reducing its overall fat content. 4. Easy gravy preparation. The drippings collected beneath can be used to make delicious gravies. There are various types of roasting racks, each suited for different purposes. Flat racks, ideal for larger cuts of meat. V-shaped racks, great for poultry, allowing heat to circulate around the bird. Adjustable racks, these can be modified to fit different sizes of pans. Here are some tips for getting the most out of your roasting rack. Preheat the rack. Place it in the oven during preheating for better crisping. Positioning. Ensure the meat is centered and stable on the rack. Cleaning. Always clean the rack thoroughly after use to maintain hygiene. Understanding and using a roasting rack can significantly elevate your cooking experience. It's not just a tool, but a gateway to tastier, healthier, and more enjoyable meals. We hope this video has been helpful in demystifying the term, roasting rack, for you. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.